Hey, future billionaires. In today's video, we're going to do a quick review of the PayPal Business Mastercard, and we're going to cover this review in 5 minutes or less. So we're going to cover the features and benefits of the card. We're going to also look at the requirements to apply. And last of all, but not least, there's going to be a bonus section of the video, which I want you to stay tuned for. All right, so let's look at the features and benefits of the PayPal Business Mastercard. So starting out, you get unlimited 2% cash back, so there's no limit on that. You also get a 2-year extended warranty coverage on all of your purchases. And pretty much that also covers your cell phone coverage for lost or damaged phones. And you also get identity theft protection. And last of all, but not least, there is no annual fee on this card at all. $0 in annual fees. Now let's look at the requirements of the PayPal Business Mastercard. Now note, you must have a PayPal business account established. You must have business revenue of $5,000 or more, and you must be in business for at least 1 year. Now, the great thing about this card is that it is a personal guarantee, and they only require you on a personal level to have a credit score of 601 on the FICO score. So you must have a FICO score of at least 601. So I found that to be amazing. I did not know that. I just happened to get an invitation by email inviting me to apply. But I will say that a 601 credit score is very generous. So if you have that 601, definitely go ahead and apply. So I'm going to provide you with a link to apply for the PayPal Business Mastercard. In addition to that, I'm going to provide you with the link to sign up for a PayPal business account in the event that you do not have an account. And as promised, in the bonus section of this video, I want to provide you with an awesome book, and that book is titled The Top 10 Ways Life Insurance Can Be Used as a Family Bank. I know that many of you pretty much have heard a lot of people talk about establishing a family bank. This book provides the top 10 ways which life insurance can be used as that family bank. So we provide you with the actual paperback book through Amazon. You also have access to the Kindle Reader, and you also have free access through Audible. So Audible will provide you with that free access that you need to listen to the book via Audible. So that's the way we provide you with the free access. Now with the Kindle Reader and the paperback, you will have to pay for those. But through Audible, you have an opportunity to listen to the book through a free trial. Definitely take advantage of listening to that book. I'm going to provide a link in the description of this video, in addition to in the content of the video, for you to get access to your free book. So if you enjoyed today's video, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in all of our upcoming video releases.